let's be careful. I saw a man of God burning Bishop Dag's book, and I have a relation with him. He burned Bishop Dag's book. Well, that's his opinion. It doesn't change anything. We love the books. My brother, this book they are burning. We have it here. These are the books they are burning. These are the books they are burning. We have them here. They are here. We enjoy them. You think what you say is what affects us? All this books from Bishop Dago. You want to capture this place. Have you captured? No. Here, what my hand is. Yeah. From here up to here, the books of Bishop Dago. The rest I cannot even. And you think what you say that will affect us? Forget it. Some of us are not confused. Some of us are not confused. We know what. See, people think that we follow without searching the scriptures. So we are not blind. My brother, we are not blind. If you have your revelation, keep it. With all your revelation, what have you done with your revelation? You say, you have the proper gospel. Proper gospel. What have you done with your proper gospel? I have the truth. With the truth that you have, what have you done with the truth?